So I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really great day and I hope you're all excited for Christmas. It is coming super duper fast now, so I hope you guys are all ready. I hope you guys have wrapped all your presents. Did you just hear my stomach rumble? Probably not, but that felt really loud. So today I'm going to be doing a Lush Christmas gift guide, and obviously we did one of these back in October. However, this one is going to be mainly focusing on gifts that are under £20 because I think that a lot of people do set a budget for Christmas presents. I know that I do anyway, otherwise I go far too overboard and it's awful. So I thought I would do £20 because that seems like a really reasonable amount of money to spend, and I just think that's a good sort of price to focus on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Grab yourselves a coffee. Mine has gone cold, which is not shocking because I always forget my coffee, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and carry on watching. So I have 10 gifts that I've picked out specifically that I think are really great presents and Christmas presents or birthday presents even. So the first one is the lovely gift set. This one includes 2 really beautiful products and it is £12.50, so not overly expensive, and obviously these do come pre-wrapped as well, so you're not going to have to spend money on wrapping the presents. So I really love this gift. The packaging is beautiful. I think they've had this gift for a while and I think it might have even been called something else previously. I can't quite remember, but it does look familiar, so let me know down below if it used to be called something else because I'm pretty sure it did. So this gift includes the Sakura bath bomb and the Rub 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 shower scrub. So personally, I would buy this gift for somebody who doesn't like overpowering strong fragrances, and maybe for somebody who has a bath and has a shower but you're not too sure what they prefer, because obviously you've got kind of a product for each situation. So I really love this gift. The packaging is stunning, and especially if it's a birthday present, because this isn't a Christmas gift, this one just looks amazing. I love it. Next up we have the bath art gift set, which is for all you bath bomb lovers out there. This one is £11. The packaging again is absolutely stunning. I'm sorry if I keep looking down, by the way. I've got my laptop here just with the products and things inside, but yeah, the packaging is stunning. I absolutely love it. Again, not focusing on Christmas because you've got the intergalactic and the golden egg, no, that's Easter, the dragon's egg bath bomb, which are 2 of my faves. Love those bath bombs a lot. Really beautiful in terms of fragrances. You've got the intergalactic, which is really minty, then you've got the golden, I keep saying golden egg, the dragon's egg, which smells like lemon sherbet. So I love them both. They smell amazing. 10 out of 10. Next up we have the rose gift set, which in my opinion is definitely more shower focused because it doesn't have any bath bombs or anything inside. However, this is definitely a luxurious gift set. It's £14, but you do get a rose jam shower gel, which is just unreal, and you also get some of the rose argan body conditioner, which smells delicious and it makes your skin feel silky. It's so lovely, so luxurious. Like, I am obsessed with it, and it's just a really beautiful gift. Personally, for me, I'd buy this for somebody like my mum or my nan even, or I mean anyone in between obviously, but for somebody who is just really into those gentle, delicate fragrances, it's a really, really lovely gift. Moving on to the next gift, which is definitely higher up in price. This one is the butterfly gift and it is £20. It may seem quite expensive, but you do have 3 really beautiful products in this. So you have the Rose Argan Body Conditioner, which I spoke about previously. It's a beautiful in-shower moisturiser. You then have the Sleepy Soap, which if you guys don't know, smells like Twilight. And if you guys haven't watched me before, you won't know that Twilight is one of my all-time favourite scents. I love it so, so much. So the Sleepy Soap is in this gift and it's beautiful. And then you also have a 100-gram bottle of the Honey I Wash the Kids shower gel, which smells like honey and toffee, and it's amazing. Again, this is more of a shower focused gift because obviously there's no bath bombs or bubble bars inside, but it's just a really lovely gift, and again, not very Christmassy, so could be a birthday present. Moving on to a more Christmassy themed gift, this is the Best Wishes gift set, and I'm not going to lie to you, the wrapping on this gift is top notch. I absolutely love it. This is definitely a bath gift though. It is £18 and you get 3 bath bombs inside. However, they are all beautiful bath bombs, like 10 out of 10 for the Christmas vibes. Well done, Lush. I love it. You get the Jingle Bells bath bomb, the Polar Bear plunge bubble bar. I lied, there's a bubble bar inside. And you also get the Golden Wonder bath bomb, which is the most beautiful bath bomb ever. Like, Golden Wonder, I feel like I don't mention it a lot on my channel because I haven't bought one in a while, but Golden Wonder is so underrated. It's beautiful. If you want mermaid water, Golden Wonder is for you. It's stunning. From what I can gather as well, this gift set really focuses on different scents. So you've got the Jingle Bells bath bomb, which is orange and patchouli. You then have the Polar Bear bubble bar, which is very minty. And then you have the Golden Wonder, which smells like heaven and citrusy orange. So it's a really nice mixture of scents, but yeah, I love that. The next gift set is definitely another bath showery kind of gift. It's definitely a good mixture, and that is the Christmas candy box. When I used to work for Lush, this one was super duper popular because it was only £20 and you get 4 amazing products inside, which I will go through now. So the first one is the Candy Cane reusable bubble bar, which is a very citrusy style reusable bubble bar, so really good value for money. You then get the Snow Fairy shower gel, which I'm not going to go into detail. It smells like bubblegum, everyone loves it. Then you get the Angels Delight bath bomb, which again is a very pink, sweet kind of scented bath bomb. And then you have the Butter Bear bath bomb, which is the most beautiful thing. It's so simple but really moisturising, so great for sensitive skin, but also they've reformulated it now and it looks adorable. Next up we have the Sleepy gift set, which if you guys know is all Twilight scented, which if you guys didn't know, I love it. I feel like I've mentioned it 3 times in this video, but I love Twilight, I love Sleepy. It's a really beautiful lavender scent, so if you don't like lavender or you're buying for someone that hates lavender, probably stay away. But this one is only £13 and you get 2 beautiful products inside. So inside this gift you get the Sleepy shower gel and the matching body lotion. So if you guys like the Twilight scent, you will love it. Again, really nice and floral, so good for anybody really who likes that sort of scents, if you know what I mean. But again, no bath products, so it is up to you whether you want to go for something like that or not. But I think this gift is great, especially if you know someone doesn't really like baths. It's a good one, it's a good one. So the next gift set is all bath bombs. This is the Festive Friends gift set, which costs £17, and this has 4 really amazing bath bombs inside. So inside this one you get the Butter Bear bath bomb, the I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas bath bomb, which if you saw my Halloween haul you will know I bought one of those. Smells delicious. You then have the TikTok bath bomb and the Snowman Dreaming bath bomb. All really small bath bombs, but all really lovely, and the scents are definitely very different because you've got kind of vanilla, lavender, orange, and then like a really sweet scent. So it's really good if you don't know what scents people like but you know they like bath bombs. This is a good one. The next gift is called Oh My Clementine, and this one has 3 beautiful products inside and is £19. I know £19 may seem a little bit more expensive, but the products inside are very luxurious. So you've got the orange shower scrub, the Once Upon a Time body lotion, and the Golden Pear soap. So it's a really fruity kind of gift and more focused on shower, as again no bath products are in this one, but I just really like it. I think if you like those citrusy sorts of smells, it's a really good gift to go for, and the packaging on this one is adorable. So yeah, I love that one, and I've never seen that one before, so I think it's a new one for this year. And last but not least is the Glow gift, which looks unbelievable and is only £13. But in this gift set you have the orange shower scrub and again the Baked Alaska soap, which Baked Alaska is an absolute classic. Lush have been releasing that for I think probably around 10 years now. Like they used to have it there when I worked there when I was 18, so yeah, they've had it for a long time. But yeah, this gift set just looks very fruity and zesty, and it's not overly glittery or anything like that, but you have got the Baked Alaska soap, which is so beautiful in colour. So again, really great for anyone really who likes those fruity scents and who doesn't have a bath maybe. So those are all of my favourite gifts of 2020 that are under £20. That's a lot of 20s in that sentence. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below which is your favourite and which you think that is a really lovely gift, because I think all of these would make fantastic gifts. I would be so happy to receive any of those on Christmas. So yeah, let me know down below your faves. I hope you guys are having a most wonderful day. The most wonderful day. I hope you guys are enjoying the 12 days of LUSHMAS series, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys!